Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Singles Day comes once in a year, and shoppers go crazy for the deals. I will show you how to create a single day discount in Shopify step by step. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store, and I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more seasonal tips. After installing it, just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount and add a discount type as discount code, and we can add any discount code as our, like for now I am adding singleton and I am giving a percentage of discount 10 and a capping amount of 100 here. And I can set the discount can be applied for all the products or a specific collection or a specific product. For now, I'm adding it for all the products. And I can also set up some minimum purchase requirement here. Now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase amount, so I'm choosing the first option. For customer eligibility, I'm choosing it for all the customers. I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. I'm adding it for 100. And I can also limit one use per customer, which means this code can be applied only one time per customer. And I can also set some start date and an end date through which this code will be active. I can also set the discount can be combined with product discount, order discount, or any shipping discounts which are existing. After entering all the details, I am saving the changes. Now I am checking whether my discount code is got activated from the discount section. Now you can see that singleton is got activated. Now we can check the setup in our online store. Now I am adding a product of worth 1024 here. And I am applying my discount code singleton. Now you can see that 100 rupees is got deducted from the MRP. Even though the 10% of 1025 is 102, the capping amount 100 makes sure that the customers will not be getting any amount other than which is exceeding the capping amount. Now I am checking with some other products. This product is having a value of 785 and I'm adding singleton here. Now you can see that the 10% of 785 is 78 and the 78 is deducted as capping amount as the discount amount from the MRP, which is also not exceeding the capping amount. And that's how you create a single day discount in Shopify. Grab the app link from the description and start preparing your single day sales now. Wishing you a record breaking sale on this single day. So if this video find helpful, never forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.